All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're doing our unboxing for our October company for 2023. So stay tuned through the end. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today we are unboxing our October company, TopHat Beard Co. It's a brand new company, and so yeah, found them, picked up some stuff, and I'm gonna give you my first impression, and then I'm gonna use these products for the entire month of October. I'm gonna come back at the end of the month and give you a full overview and review of the products, the company, the website, everything. So make sure to stay tuned for that. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button on this video, and yeah, let's dive into this. So today we're going to be using the Kershaw Antic. Now I do have a review of this knife coming up, so stay tuned for that one. I will put a card up top, so when it does go live, you will be able to see that. So let's just dive in. So this came all the way from Ontario, Canada. All right, let's keep that out in case we need it. Let's see. All right, so we're in our UPS shipper. Then we have bubble wrap, bubble mailer. All right, let's see if we can just open this up. All right, I can already smell a little bit. So let's see here. I can't remember what scents I ordered. Grand Piano in beard oil, and I ordered an unscented beard butter. They didn't have Grand Piano in beard butter, but I wanted to get a butter to try them out. Like I said, this is a brand new company. They started in May, am I correct? In May of 23. So we're only a few months into this company. The owners are James and Amanda, and they're based out of Southern Ontario, Canada. They have 5 scent profiles to choose from. They have oils, butters, and balms. And from Ontario to South Georgia, it took 4 days. I've ordered from the next state over, and it take longer than 4 days. So kudos on the shipping. Again, just like every other product this month or this year, they don't know that I'm a reviewer. They just saw me as a customer. So they didn't give me any special treatment. We have thank you card on the back, handwritten. Thanks for being one of our launch day customers. We hope you enjoy your product. So they started in May of 23, but they didn't launch their products till after that, a lot more recent. So we got in there. So we got big bubble wrap on the oil, taped up for security. Let's get trash out of the way. Now I'm curious. I wanted to try their butter because they're a new company. Number one. Number two, they didn't have it in the other scent, so I got unscented because it's just you can use it whenever. So glass jar, 2 ounces, beard butter. Look at these labels. I don't know if it's going to focus, but check these labels out. These labels do not look like a startup company that just started. All right. So ingredients on the butter: shea butter, argan oil, something I can't read, camellia seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, rice bran oil. Ingredients on the oil: white top, frosted clear bottle. Check that out. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. The ingredients, where are we at? All right, so we've got argan seed oil, squalane, maybe that's what's in this one, squalane, camellia seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, rice bran oil. Let's try it. This, I don't remember what all it was for the Grand Piano. Let's go with the balm or the butter first, because it's unscented, and I know that Shea butter sometimes can give a scent. I'm curious. Check that out. That is unscented. So kudu, get a hint. I get a hint of the shea butter, but it's not bad. Ooh, this is smooth. Look at this. See if that stirred up any of that shea butter. Get a little bit. I get a little bit of the shea butter, so it's not 100% unscented, but it is low key. So we're going to test that. Usually the shea butter, if it's not really, really strong, shea butter will kind of fizzle out. So we're going to give that a go. And hopefully this is a good scent. Kind of a golden color. Grand piano. I don't remember what all the notes were on it. Ooh, what is that? Kind of woodsy, but I get something like eucalyptus or something in there that's really hitting my nose. It smells really good. Let's see. Kind of a lightweight oil, not too bad. So we're going to give this a go for the month. The oil looks really good. And like I said, lightweight. I think that's eucalyptus I'm picking up, but I'm picking up something in there. Like I said, they have 5 scent profiles right now to choose from. Unscented and grand piano. I don't remember the rest. I'll talk about all of them at the end of the month. But so far, so good. Company is based out of Canada, and shipping was a little bit much coming to the States, but that's within reason. And but yeah, overall, right now, it says 100% natural. Manufacturer is TopHat Beard Co. in St. Catherine, Ontario, Canada. Really good ingredients. I love the labels. Like I said, these labels, the presentation, I'll talk about the website some more at the end of the month, but the presentation does not scream new company to me. The presentation screams a company that's been around for a minute. So TopHat Beard Co. Go check them out. There'll be a link in the description. I'm no affiliate. I have no discount code. None of that. I am a customer to them. So if you want to, go check it out. If you want to wait till the end of the month, see my thoughts on it, and give you my overview of the website before you get there, then you can do that. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe, and click that little bell so you're notified when new videos drop. And I think that's all we've got for today. So we got 2 days, and we'll start using some TopHat. So there you go. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.